In this video, I'll compare two popular crypto trading bot platforms, 3Commas and Pionex, so you can decide which one matches your trading style and budget. We'll look at features, costs, and who each platform is best suited for. Let's start with 3Commas. Launched in 2017, 3Commas is a well-established automation platform that connects to over 20 major exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin, via AP. It supports advanced bot types like dollar cost averaging, DCA, and grid bots, along with a smart trade terminal for manual trades with stop loss and take profit in one order. You can integrate it with TradingView to create custom triggers and use AI-powered signal providers. The main advantage is flexibility. You can customize nearly every setting. However, the service is subscription-based, starting at $49 per month, which can be a significant cost for smaller portfolios. Now let's talk about Pionex. Founded in 2019, Pionex is a crypto exchange with 16 free built-in bots, including grid, DCA, and arbitrage bots. It's designed to be beginner-friendly with an intuitive interface and no extra subscription fees. You only pay a low 0.05% trading fee. Pionex pulls liquidity from Binance and Huobi, giving it solid order book depth. The trade-off is that you're limited to trading directly on Pionex, so you can't link multiple external exchanges like you can with 3Commas. Final thoughts. If you're an advanced trader who needs multi-exchange connectivity, deep customization, and integrations with trading tools, Commas is the better fit. If you're a beginner or want a cost-effective way to use bots without monthly fees, Pionex offers a solid all-in-one solution.